Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 18. Sulaiman alayhi salam. Name: Sulaiman alayhi salam. Title: The Wise King and Prophet of Miracles. Birth and lineage: Sulaiman ibn Dawud alayhi salam. Born in Jerusalem, Palestine. Descendant of Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam, tribe of Judah. Father: Prophet Dawud alayhi salam. Wives: had many wives, reports vary, up to 100 as per Sahih Bukhari. Prayed for a righteous heir, but one of his sons did not survive. He said, "Tonight I will go around to 100 women." Inheritance of prophethood and kingdom. Sulaiman alayhi salam was gifted knowledge, judgment and kingship by Allah. And Sulaiman inherited Dawud. He ruled over humans, jinn, animals and birds. Divine gifts and miracles. Understood and spoke to animals and birds. Controlled the wind by Allah's will. Commanded the jinn who built palaces and dived for pearls. Then we subjected to him the wind and the devils. The ant's warning. Heard a small ant warning its colony from his army. Smiled with humility and thanked Allah for his favor. He smiled, laughing at her words. Encounter with the Hoopoe and QueenOfSheba. Hudud informed him about Queen Balqis of Sheba worshipping the sun. Sent a letter inviting her to worship Allah. Queen Balqis submitted to Islam after witnessing his wisdom and miracles. She said, "My Lord, indeed I have wronged myself and submit with Sulaiman." Construction of the temple. Oversaw the building of a great structure, interpreted as Masjid al-Aqsa with help of jinn. Used jinn to forge structures and utensils. They made for him whatever he wished. Elevated rooms, statues, worship and wisdom. Regular in prayer, deep in gratitude to Allah. Renowned for quick and just judgment. Example: case of 2 women and the baby, resolved with insight. And we gave understanding of it to Sulaiman. Death. Passed away while standing, leaning on his staff during worship. Jinn continued working unaware of his death until a termite ate through the staff. When he fell, it became clear to the jinn. Mentions in the Qur'an. Mentioned by name in 7 surahs including Al-Baqarah, Al-Anbiya, Sa'd, An-Naml, Saba. Key qualities: humility in power, justice in rule, thankfulness and wealth, dedication in worship, wisdom in judgment. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and hadith only. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more Prophet facts.